on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it is?
Today is the first day of school holidays and me and my friend have decided to go to the beach. So let's get ready for a beach day. Do some basic skincare to go to the beach. Okay, it is time to get changed into the bathers. I'll do that.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby.
We walked all the way to the second beach and here we are. It's like a big snorkeling spot, but we forgot our snorkels, so we're just gonna swim. We are back at Grace's. Get ready up. Get ready with us to go out for dinner. Mine's so tiny. Because I have no here. So I can do it.
Always inside, to the mama, help me on my fears, my never faces I disappear if you let me.
Me and Grace are heading to dinner.
Feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now.
Solo.
Way to kill, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit. Baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I can give a losing the best of me.
I swear I have nothing.
The next day.
feel like I'm melting. I know, I wish this was a big pool. What is this? It's just water. Oh! Is that refreshing? Yes, it was.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind. I know I've been away.
We have been cleaning for so long. We are going to the beach again, so we're in a rush to get ready for the beach day 2.
They know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?
If you guys are still watching, thank you for making it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to follow along for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!